Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what matters. Confirm Index IBS client version and obtain your API key because compatibility prevents wasted time. Once authenticated, back up the raw dataset to a separate folder so you can revert. Then, open a terminal and run the login command with your API key. This establishes a secure session. Make sure to set your working directory to the project folder, since relative paths determine which files Index IBS will index and process next. You now implement the core workflow. Initialize a config so Index IBS knows your schema. Once done, edit config. JSON to map key fields, ID, title, body, tags, and choose analyzers for tokenization and stopword rules, because the analyzer affects search quality. Next, run the indexing command with an appropriate thread and batch size to balance speed versus memory. As it progresses, monitor logs for skipped records and sampling stats, and adjust batch size if memory spikes. You finish by validating and deploying the index. Run the validation command on a sample to confirm fields and search relevance, because this step prevents bad releases. Once validated, publish to production with an alias so you can roll back if needed. If something goes wrong, inspect the logs for parsing errors, rerun only the failed batches, and rebuild analyzers if tokenization looks off, re-ingest affected records. Finally, monitor live queries and be ready to revert the alias to the previous index.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.